Ja, Hello, in the next episode of the documentation series, how to insulate your house. Here we have insulation coming beyond the roof level. It's like typical construction when you are insulating older house, because you need to insulate each detail. When there is a detail which is not insulating properly or patiently, you would have really big problems, like starting with wet inside and finishing with moisture and gray powder everywhere, and that's really bad. What has been done not in a good way, that here we're supposed to have around 20 centimeters overtaking the house, over leveling the house, because we are going to pour the concrete here. From the other side, from this side, there will be opposite APS table, and there will be a channel for pouring the concrete here, because we need to pour a lot of concrete everywhere, as you can see, in order to get a better stability, because the house is not very stable, because our brothers communists did it in a proper way, basically. What we need to do, I've started here the same level, and I'm going to use this special equipment. You could see here is common ATX transformer. Here is some junction points. This Vago junction points, and I used 5 volts directly from this. 5 volts and 20 amps is more than enough. It's 100 watts. We don't need really 100 watts here, but it's close to 100. Here is resistance wire, so-called, I've forgotten the name, candle, like candela, like for lighting bulb or old lighting bulb. Yeah, and it's still running. Okay, I didn't switch off. Okay, I put my gloves, and here we can see that we put some glue on this rear side of the polystyrene. I need to peel out in such a way. Peel out this glue. Now I'm going to peel out the glue everywhere where it's done, because this was like mistakenly done. My original intent was to leave this over 35 centimeters overtaking, but it's too much. It must be a little bit properly deviated up to around 20 centimeters. So let me do something. I'm just walking, because I have no external support. I put my Sony on my head and I can go. Here is my garden, by the way. Now here is my garden. Everything is all right downstairs. It's around 11.5 centimeters. Okay, I have to adapt. It will take me a little bit time. Okay. Oh. My gosh. The small bubbles are everywhere, and it's very toxic material. Nobody tells you that it's toxic. More and more. Yeah. Okay. I show you. I can show you some detail. So I let a little bit more than 11.5 centimeters because of by heating you are decreasing the original diameter, the original size, about just about this couple of centimeters. And also over here put a little bit up this level. The wire must be perfectly straight in the cutting area, especially in the cutting area. Okay, and finally we will a little bit like straighten the wire. I show you how. The first we need to fix at least the one side. Let's say we would like to fix this side. Okay. 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 Fixing it patiently. This upper nut is from brass because of its very soft material, and it can't damage the wire itself. Wire itself is also very soft material because it has a special additivums to have resistance, but to be softer like common steel. So this is like this, yeah. Now we will precisely put here. And what do we need? We need to squeeze it a little bit like, yeah, like this, yeah, I'm squeezing. And now I'm going to fix it. Yeah, but it's quite difficult to make a video and fix it in one time. But everything is possible. Okay, here is one thing what I did wrongly. I need to put it in the direction of tying off the knot, because it will be automatically strengthening the wire, stretching the wire. In that case, I don't need to stretch it before so much. You see, and wire is stretched perfectly. Perfect. Don't use too much power. Yeah, finally there is verification, 2 millimeters plus, and also here is 2 millimeters plus, 11.7, and here is 11.7. 11.7, yes, that's nice. That's some shop network in America. 11.7. I remember from my Tesla, working in Tesla factory, yeah, in Fremont. So, and here is the very old 80, maybe this is not 80X, it's only 80. I made the power switch like, to be part of the 80 source, and what I need to test my idea if everything goes well because this is like Premiere, but it looks to be like a little bit above what I wanted to achieve. There is also another question. Okay, it's a little bit like must be a little bit like this one, this direction, but we cannot respect the direction so much. Just what the problem is here, that we can't go so much down. Here we are blocking. In that case we need to release this nut, and we need to put everything a little bit up, because I wasn't considering this one, that it could happen when I was constructing this stick or Gewindestange. Okay, very. Let's go to remake it. First of all, I need to release. I have to release this nut in order to protect the wire not to be torn down, because otherwise it will be big problem. You see, wire is a little bit damaged. Okay, but don't worry, everything is under control. Yeah. Now I have to. I don't know if anything is seen in the camera, but this is very difficult for me. I have no holder. Yeah, I need to disconnect. Yeah. basically, okay, come on. By very tricky things you can do very big, very fantastic. I can use even a little bit more in case that there is some problem. The second stick is not problem because we have maybe it's also a problem, yeah, because there are some obstacles in the route, so finally we can clash with the obstacles further in low time. So okay, it off. Not subnormal power, it's not necessary to use subnormal power. These are like Lego playing tool. So we do the same with the second stick because we need to rod, not stick, it's rod. I just remembered the original English name. Original name is rod, rated rod. Okay, it's more than enough. Mutter und Kontramutter must be tied off. Because this is just a demonstration of my faulty, and it's fixing, and I'll be back when it's done. So and now machine seems to be ready for cutting, so I'm starting the power generator and I'm starting to move slowly towards the area. And it should be cutting like laser. Yeah, I hope that nothing special happened, because I have no very good sense. But it's still cutting now. We are in interlaced area, but it's continuing. It's still cutting, slowly but cutting. stop. So I need to prepare more cable. It's very hard to do video in one time and to do also this job in one time. But it's possible somehow. Yeah, good. I'm also wondering how does it look like in another side. It's very nice. It's very nice. You see, it's very nice. And I'm continuing cutting. Very important is to moving it steadily, constantly, not to change the moving rate. And very important is to make a pauses when something goes wrong. Yeah, this is wrong. This is problematic point because the PU material inside has obviously a different melting level than the other APS material. Yeah, but looks good. I think that looks good. Yeah, and we can see that we can move with it. So it's disattached. Here we have maybe problem. Okay, we will see how big is the problem. So just okay, just continuing. Perfect. Problem is has been bypassed. Come on, machine. You're my machine. Oh my gosh. Bigger and bigger problem. Maybe to improve this machine by using ball bearings or something like that could be useful. Now we stuck the cable here, so or maybe here is problem, I don't know. It's the same. These junctions are still problematic because you see that. Continuing. Just very carefully. There are no problematic when there are small discrepancies in cutting because we can use some sticky material. Here we can take a rest. Yeah. And let's see to see the other. We are almost over this problematic area, and everything's creeping and going not very well. Okay, stop for a while to make a break. That's nice. It looks that it's really unsticked, yeah. See, it's really unsticked. Nice. We are almost in the middle, but it's going very well. It's going very well. Okay, just one thing we should to check is if the distance is the same, but distance must be the same basically. Distance is not problem, it's around 19 centimeters. The level is problem, but even if the level is not okay, we need to put additional here, not, yeah, but it must be the same. It must be the same. Maybe the original installation is not in a level, but for us it doesn't matter so much. I think that it's nice job. Anyway, it's a nice job. It's a big innovation because we save the tree, the nature, everything, because otherwise we need a lot of other problematic troubles. I mean troubles. Here are troubles. Sometimes it's not perfect level, the top surface, and because there is edge, not arc but edge, so it can be clutching with another edge when it's not perfect. something is wrong. There is something wrong. Here is something wrong. Inside. Yeah, but nothing is wrong. Okay. I need both of my hands. I can't take a camera or hold a camera in one hand. I have to finalize it with this equipment by using both of the hands what God gives me or has given me, and I will report you later on. So bye bye and thank you for your watching. So I started from opposite side, and you can see in detail that it's very high precise detail, and here is one side and here is another side which is unsticked here. Kind of quite good job. I'm going to put this side aside, and this surface is smooth enough for applying other materials and other systems, insulation systems. So that's all. Thank you for watching of this part of the video, and I'm going to prepare the next application system, because now, yeah, first of all I need to fill in these spaces here by PU foam, polyurethane foam, and after then I can continue with other things. Maybe at the evening I'll be ready for final application. So thanks for watching and see you in my next video.